Welcome back. Glad to introduce myself. My name is Arthur McDaniel, and I'm from paintpartyfun.com. And we're going to go over this picture we did earlier, tracing, and this is the second episode. And these are the colors we're going to need. Just the standards colors: yellow, blue, red, green, white, regular white. We're going to get the titanium white, and we're going to go back to our tracing, and there's our tracing, and we finished the tracing. It's best to put the tracing on the table and then put it back on the easel. It makes it a lot easier on yourself. And as you can see, a lot of red lines, and then we're going to take the tracing paper out. As you can see, we keep using this over and over. And I want to see how we did on the tracings. Let's fold this back. And so, not too bad. And there's the line drawing. We extended the lines for the horizon. Now, the question is, what color are we going to start with? Well, I like to start with, because most of the colors are blue. So blue all the way around. And we're going to start with a basic blue. And we're going to come out here with a light blue. And then we're going to transfer down to a little heavier blue on the horizon, right through there. Now, as you can see, some of the lines in the picture correspond to shades. And there's the boat, see right down here, there's the boat. And when we get into whites, remember when we get into blues, we want to get the blues in the boat too. Some blues in here, there's some blues around here, see the blue around here, the blue in here. So we want to make sure we do all this, but also remember the blues that are in the boat. And a little blue in here, a little tiny bit, maybe a lot of white in that blue, a lot of white in that blue, a lot of white in that blue, and then very dark blue, dark blue. These are all going to be dark blue because this is a reflection of the boat. As you see the blue here, reflection of the blue, and then a very hard blue. So let's get started and get our palette ready. I'm using a clear palette, and I'm using 2 brushes. And I'm going to use a 12, kind of stiff. And new brushes for me. And this one is for this delicate work. We're going to go in here. So let's get started. Let's get our paint on the palette, and I'll go through the process of putting the paints in the correct order on the palette. So stay tuned for the next video, number 3. I get the paint on the palette, and we'll start painting. Thank you. So lesson 3 is coming up. Thank you.